Which is my recommendation for you for a summer go-to glow look. It has so nice purple, light, more dark, more shimmery colors, a very nice blue eyeliner, and the classic fuchsia lipstick. It is a very, very nice, very bright look for almost all of you. So if you want to know how you can do that look, let's get right into this video to show you how I created that look. I have done my brows as usual off camera with my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim in the shade medium brown, and this is it, a very thin pencil for brows which helps me to define my brows very nice, very easy and with very precision. And from the other side it's spoon. Then I have cleaned up my brows with this flat concealer brush and my Fit Me, classic for me, Fit Me Maybelline in the shade 20, and now I'm ready to move on to prepare my lid. As always, on my opinion of course, I always clean my lid with my Fit Me Maybelline and this brush, which is a fluffy big brush. Also, I can tell you, and I have told you many times, that you can use a lid primer in a light color, anything you want, but I do like the concealer for that job. And I apply on my lid most of the product, and I'm going to apply it with this fluffy big brush. And now I'm ready to move on to wear my shadow. For today, I will use this palette 3D IDY. This is a very nice palette which has purple and light purple colors and pinks and fuchsias, because my today's look is a very nice summer go-to glow look with pink, mauve, purple, light undertone colors. And for today I will use my fluffy brush by eyebrow 104, and I will take this on the edge, which is a shimmery purple, medium to light color to do my crease. Taking the color and apply it on my crease, of course. It is applying very nicely this color. It is a very nice medium to light purple, but with really nice color. I'm going to take then this flat brush, do you see, very flat brush, and this on the other edge, which is a matte, very light purple undertone color to do my lid, because I like that color. I really like. We are near to the summer, and these colors are very nice undertone colors. And I have to say that these light purple colors, light pink, suit to almost all of us persons, to almost all of us. It depends always, the colors depends their performance and on the undertone of the color. And apply it on my lid. Very nice light purple, shimmery light, very bright color. And of course continue with another fluffy flat brush like this, a little longer than the other, and I will take this on the other edge, which is a deep purple color, to do my outer corner, of course. You can leave it as it is if you want a very light look, but I want to do a tip more, so I want to apply another color a little on the outer corner, a little deeper in the same undertones, of course. Of course, you could leave it like it is. Of course, I'm going to apply on my underbrow area with my eyebrow 103 my Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow, and this is it. It's a very nice pink twice color. And I will apply some of them under my brow bone. Very nice, this highlighter, very nice, very affordable. It's by Wet n Wild and you can find it anywhere. I always like to have in my collection some highlighters that they are in the ice colors, light blue, light silver, light pink, cool colors, and also I have some colors like this highlighter which is coral, champagne. They are shimmery, warm colors. So in your collection you must have and cool tone highlighters and warm tone highlighters. And now I'm going, just a little coffee while I work, as always. And I'm going to continue with my other eye, of course, with the same way, the same palette, with this, as I have told you, very nice palette. Continue with the same way. And now I decided to wear an eyeliner. I am between blue and black. I think both of them. I have this with blue black, blue dark blue by Tommy T. Also, I have this with by Golden Rose, black, which I'm gonna use for today. I want it to be more summery. I'm gonna use my blue for today, which is my Tommy T Precision eyeliner, the shade blue, and this is it, as you see, dark blue. Although you can use, in that look, you can use blue and black. Not ever use a brown. Or the same mauve color. It won't look like right, nice. Do you see this very nice blue liner? A very nice blue. Very, very nice blue. And now I'm going to continue, of course, with my lashes. And for today, I will use my Dawn Beauty lashes. And these are they. Very nice. 6D36 in the number lashes. I'm going to wear them for today. And of course, after my lashes, I'm going to continue with the rest of my face. For today, I'll prepare my face with my MUA Pro Base Oil Free Primer, which is a very nice hydrating primer. As I have told you, my skin is combo, so I want it, and this is a form that it is silicone free, very nice for the skin. I prefer to wear primers that they are hydrating and moisturizing. Of course, if you have a very oily skin, you can use a matte primer or a primer, putty primer, anything you want. If you have a combo skin or a dry skin, prefer the primers that they are more hydrating for you. And as I have told you many times, to find the nice, the suitable product, beauty product, in all the way, in all categories for you, you have to do a research. And don't think that, as I have told you, a very expensive product is always so good. Try an expensive product, try an affordable product, and very affordable, and you will find on your skin, on your color, on your epidermia, you will find the right product for you. And now, of course, for today, what I will use? Today, I will use my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 32 Hours, and this is it, which is in the shade 222 Substance. It is one very illuminating and hydrating foundation for me. I really love that hydration because it is hydrating, but also it depends much when it dries on the skin, but it is hydrating. Very, very nice. It is applying so good. So good. And of course, going to continue with the classic for me, Fit Me Maybelline in the shade 20. I have started to apply my foundation with this kabuki brush by Wet n Wild, and I continued to apply it and finish the whole area with this beauty blender. This is my technique, of course, as I have told you. You can choose your tools. It depends on what you want to do, on what you want to use, but the best way is to start with a brush and to finish with a beauty blender. I apply it on the inner corner, of course, never under the eye. It is an old technique on the outer corner, of course. Some dots on the nose and between the brows, 2 lines near the mouth. This is like this line and this line up near your mouth is like to do a mini lift, physical, natural lift, and some product, of course, on your chin. And I will apply my product always with a beauty blender. I have in front of me 1, 2, 3, 4 beauty blenders and 2 more bigger. I have to say that every time I have many of them to choose the right and to change in every way on what I want to do. I want to succeed. As you see, I choose and I change my beauty blenders, my tools. And never pull away, don't do that motion, never pull away your under eye. Just tap the product under your eye easily and smooth. And now, of course, I'm ready to wear my cream product. For today I will do my contouring with my new Dust and Cream Extreme Matte Creamy Bronzer, which is this, and this is the color in the shade 03 Honey. And I'm gonna take this flat kabuki brush, one bigger side for the cheeks and one longer, shorter side for the nose. And I will take that product. When I started this year to wear bronzers that they are creamy, I have to say that they are very, very good, very nice, very beautiful products. So soft. I'm taking with my brush, this is it. Also, you can take it with a beauty blender, anything you want. And I'm doing my cheeks. As I have told you many times, when you start with creamy product, you have to continue with powdery product on your blush, on your highlighters, on your bronzers, unless start and go on with only powdery products. Over that, I will apply my MUA Blush Liquid Cream Blush in the shade Misty Rose, which is in this light blush, very nice peachy color. And I will apply it directly on my cheeks, of course. It is ready to finish. And I will do it with my beauty blender and some dots on that. Very, very nice, this liquid product. Of course, I'm going to continue with what? I'm going to continue with my Cyan Glitter Pudding Highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow, which is a very nice highlighter in a mousse. And I will apply some very, very few quantity, not very much, on my cheeks. A very nice golden rose color for the cheeks. Just a little, and a little on my nose, of course, on my cupid bow, but a little of the product because it is very shiny, very bright. And we don't want some so intense, especially in the summer. What else? Now I'm going to continue with my L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Set Wear Foundation Powder. And I'm taking this brush to set up my under eye. Of course, going to continue with my brown colors, which is that, and this is with my eyebrow 11. This is my powdery bronzer. I have told you before that I started with cream product and I continue with powder product. Going to continue with my Canon Highlighter Professional different color, which is a very nice deep pink blush, and also my eyebrow 11. I apply a few of that product because it is very intense. And of course continue with my Wet n Wild highlighting powder and with my eyebrow 105 on my thing. What else? I'm going now to apply a few of my, I will do a bake, yes. I will do a bake. I'm going to apply my eyebrow translucent powder, and this is it. And I'm going to apply some under my eyes to leave it for just a little time, and under on my chin, of course on my cupid's bow, and I will leave the product for a while. Done some coffee while I work. I will end up with my under eye area and the same palette, and I will take my eyebrow 03 and the same mauve color to end up with my under eye area, of course, and a few of that deep purple color. I'll continue with my eyebrow 103 and my Wet n Wild, just a little of that on my inner corner. Of course, on the inner corner, I will apply black liner by Wet n Wild, my breakup proof by Wet n Wild. You can also use a lighter, a nude, a burgundy color, a purple color, but I like this black liner. I continue with my 17 Glam Perfect Definition X Volume Mascara to apply a few on my upper lashes, just a few, and one coat on my bottom lashes. Just a few mascara, don't need much. Taking my eyebrow 11 to dust off all this powder, and of course continue with my Elixir Waterproof 056 Lip Liner, and this is it. Very nice fuchsia dark pink color. And of course I'm gonna wear my lovely pop in the shade 05 Marrakech. Look, this nice fuchsia, deep classic fuchsia color, like my nails, because I always like to set up my nails with my lipstick. The classic fuchsia color. And of course ending up with the classic Revolution. I had Revolution fixing spray, peaches and cream, because we always need a fixing spray to make our look last during many hours during all the day. What a nice smell this product. Well, my friends, this is for me. My recommendation for you for today. I think this is a very nice, bright look, especially for the summer, for all the day, of course. So if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned to see the new videos I'm gonna upload. Love you!